carnivorous and herbivorous animals. A herbivorous animal is that eats grasses, vegetables, or fruits. A carnivorous animal is one that eats meat and bones. I am tiger. I am carnivorous animal. I am a stag. I am a herbivorous animal. I am a kangaroo. I am a herbivorous animal. I am a bull. I am a herbivorous animal. I am a gazelle. I am a herbivorous animal. I am a hyena. I am a carnivorous animal. I am a capricorn. I am a herbivorous animal. I am a unicorn. I am a herbivorous animal. I am a turtle. I am a herbivorous animal. I am a lion. I am a carnivorous animal. Thank you.